Hello everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce Tips and Tricks video. So today's topic is more of a trick that I use when I've taken some photos of items. I put them in specific boxes and areas that I've assigned, but then I realized that's not exactly where I need them to be, and I'm making some adjustments to my organization system. But I haven't quite figured out where those items are going to go yet. So today I'm going to talk to you about my little trick that I use for these items that I kind of temporarily need a holding area for them. So I'm going to show you what I do for those items. So my trick is for items that I don't quite have a home for yet, that I have those items I have taken a photo of and put into the Everspruce app, is I have an area which I call my mobile closet, which is my little in-house elevator that I have in my home. So here in my areas, you can see that I call it elevator holding area. And then I have one box in there. It's called my temporary holding box. So these are 3 items I have in there right now that I have placed at one point into the Everspruce app, and it had a designated home, it had a specific box, it had a specific area. But as I was going through my stuff, I realized these things don't actually fit in those boxes. But I didn't have, and I still don't have, a box, a permanent box holding spot for them yet. So these are kind of items that are in limbo, but I don't want to delete them from the app because I know I need to find them a home once I figure out what I'm going to do with these items. So that's my little trick. Like, just find a specific area. It could be storage closets, a place in your garage, that you have one box of items that you know you want to place somewhere and get organized, and find a permanent home for them, but you just haven't quite figured out what that home is yet. So I would just find a box, find an area in your home where you just kind of take a picture of all these items that are need to find a home. And so it's just in the app, and you know you need to get to. And then as you're creating boxes and putting items in, you can think, oh, this is where this item needs to go. And then you can reach in that box and move it into its permanent home box, whatever you label it. So easy to do. In my last video, I talked about how to move things from one box to another. So let's just go to my items, and let's say I have this camera flash holder that I don't want in my office in its drawer anymore. I don't know where I want to put it yet. I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to move to another box. I'm going to go to that box, temporary holding, and then I'm going to click save. So now when I go to boxes and I click on that temporary holding box, that camera flash is now located there. So that's simple ways as you're going through your stuff and you're organizing and you realize you want to make a change, but you're not quite sure what that change is yet. This is a quick, easy solution for you so that you still are organized, but know that there is a box of items you need to get to. So that's my little trick today, and this is how I use the app to help me go through items that need to find a home still in my home. So even as organized as I am, I still do have to, I still find things in my home that I'm not quite sure what I want to do with yet. And this is a little temporary solution that I have found very useful that I use in the app. So thanks for watching today. I hope this little trick was helpful as you're going through your items and trying to organize your home. Until my next video, happy organizing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.